Wait, what if I told you that a small coin like this could be worth up to $267,000? Yes, you heard that right. A simple 5 cent coin from Malaysia could change your life overnight. Welcome back to Coin Spyder, the place where hidden treasures are revealed. And today, you might discover one in your own pocket. Today, we are talking about a very interesting coin, the Malaysia 5 cent coin from 1993. At first glance, it looks like a normal, everyday coin that many people ignore or spend without thinking twice. But in the world of coin collecting, even the smallest and most common-looking coins can sometimes hide incredible value. This is why collectors always pay close attention to old coins, because one tiny detail can turn an ordinary coin into a rare treasure. So before you dismiss this coin, make sure you understand its full story. The Malaysia 5 cent coin is part of the official currency system of Malaysia, where sen works like cents in dollars. This coin was widely used in daily life, especially during the 1990s. The 1993 version is very popular among collectors because it represents a specific period in Malaysia's economic and cultural history. On one side of the coin, you will notice a beautiful hibiscus flower, which is the national flower of Malaysia and a symbol of pride and identity. On the other side, there is a traditional spinning top called gasing, which reflects the cultural heritage of the country. Now comes the most important question: is this coin rare or not? The truth is that most 1993 Malaysia 5 cent coins are very common because they were produced in large quantities. Millions of these coins were circulated, meaning many people still have them today. However, just because a coin is common does not mean every single piece is the same. In rare cases, certain coins stand out due to special features, and those are the ones collectors are willing to pay big money for. One of the biggest reasons a coin becomes valuable is because of minting errors. These errors happen during the production process and can include double strikes, off-center designs, missing details, or unusual shapes. Such errors are not planned, which makes them rare and highly desirable. If your 5 cent coin has any unusual feature that is different from the standard design, it could significantly increase its value in the collector's market. Now let's talk about the number that surprised you: $267,000. Yes, coins in the collecting world have been sold for such huge amounts, but you must understand one very important condition. A Malaysia 5 cent coin can only reach such an incredible price if it is extremely rare, has a unique minting error, or exists in a nearly perfect condition that is almost impossible to find. A normal coin that has been used in daily transactions will never reach this value. In most cases, the value of a 1993 Malaysia 5 cent coin is quite low. Coins that are worn out or scratched usually have only a small value. Even coins in good condition may only sell for a few dollars. This is why it is very important to set realistic expectations. Not every old coin is a jackpot, but every coin has the potential to be special if it has the right features. If you want to check whether your coin is rare, you need to examine it very carefully. Look at the details of the design, the edges, and the overall condition. Compare it with images of known rare coins and try to spot any differences. You can also use a magnifying glass to inspect small details that are not visible to the naked eye. These tiny differences are often what make a coin valuable. Another important step is professional grading. Coin grading companies evaluate coins based on their condition and assign them a grade. A higher grade means the coin is in better condition, which can increase its value significantly. If you believe your coin is rare or unique, getting it graded can help you understand its true worth and make it easier to sell. You should also be careful about misleading information online. Many people claim that common coins are worth thousands or even millions of dollars, which is not true in most cases. Always verify the information from trusted sources and avoid making decisions based on hype. Understanding the real factors that determine a coin's value will help you make better choices. Coin collecting is not just about money. It is also about history, culture, and discovery. Each coin tells a story about the time and place it came from. The Malaysia 5 cent coin from 1993 is a small piece of history that connects us to a different era. Whether it is valuable or not, it still holds meaning for collectors and enthusiasts around the world. Let's go a little deeper into what truly makes a coin extraordinary in the eyes of collectors. Rarity is not just about how many coins were made, but how many have survived in excellent condition over time? Many coins get damaged, lost, or heavily used, which reduces their quality. So if a coin from 1993 still looks fresh, shiny, and almost untouched, it automatically becomes more desirable. Collectors are always searching for coins that stand out from the rest, and sometimes even a small difference in shine, color, or sharpness of design can increase the value dramatically. Another factor that can influence value is demand. If many collectors are looking for a specific coin, its price can go up quickly. Trends in the coin market change over time, and sometimes a coin that was ignored for years suddenly becomes popular. Social media, auctions, and collector communities play a big role in this. That's why it is always a good idea to stay updated and keep an eye on what collectors are interested in. You never know when your simple coin could become the center of attention. So here is the final truth. Your Malaysia 5 Sen 1993 coin might be a simple coin with a small value, or it could be something rare and special. And yes, in extremely rare situations, coins have been sold for prices like $267,000. But this only happens when the coin is truly unique, rare, and in exceptional condition. So don't ignore your coins. Take a closer look, do your research, and who knows, you might be holding a hidden treasure. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay connected with Coin Spyder, because the next valuable coin could already be in your hands.